Today, we're inside a McDonald's production facility, where they manufacture burger components at an industrial scale. This massive operation runs 24/7 to meet the global demand for McDonald's signature products. The bun production begins with industrial-scale dough preparation. The automated system proofs the dough twice with a mechanical punching process between proofings to ensure proper texture development. The proofed dough moves through forming machines that portion and shape it into uniform balls, while a controlled flour dusting system prevents sticking. This precision ensures each bun maintains consistent quality and appearance. These precisely weighted dough portions are automatically transferred into industrial molds for the final proof. The facility maintains strict quality standards. All buns are produced without artificial flavors, preservatives, or color additives. Temperature and humidity controls in the proofing chamber create optimal conditions for yeast development and dough maturation. The automated line includes synchronized egg wash spraying and sesame seed application before the buns enter computer-controlled tunnel ovens. These industrial ovens maintain precise temperature zones to achieve consistent browning and texture across thousands of units per hour. Advanced sensors monitor each stage of the baking process, ensuring every batch meets exact specifications for color, moisture content, and internal structure. The meat processing section begins with temperature-controlled grinding of carefully sourced beef. The meat undergoes multiple grinding stages to achieve the specified particle size and texture. Each batch is monitored for fat content and temperature to maintain optimal quality. The grinding process is crucial for developing the characteristic texture that McDonald's burgers are known for worldwide. A measured blend of seasonings is incorporated through industrial mixing equipment to ensure uniform distribution. This step requires precise timing and temperature control to maintain the meat's optimal protein structure. The mixing process is carefully calibrated to achieve consistent flavor distribution without overworking the meat, which could affect the final texture of the patties. The seasoned meat mixture feeds into high-speed patty forming machines that produce uniformly shaped portions. These machines use precisely engineered molds to create patties with consistent weight, diameter, and thickness. Each patty is formed under controlled pressure to achieve the ideal density and texture that ensures proper cooking characteristics. These raw patties then move through a controlled chilling system for several hours. This critical step stabilizes the protein structure and facilitates safe handling during distribution. The chilling process is carefully monitored to ensure the temperature reduction occurs at the optimal rate, preventing any quality issues that could arise from rapid temperature changes. The chilled patties proceed to automated packaging lines equipped with high-speed wrapping systems. Precision control systems monitor fill levels, seal integrity, and package quality. Each package is individually checked for proper sealing and labeling, ensuring product safety and traceability throughout the distribution chain. The facility maintains strict environmental controls and follows rigorous food safety protocols throughout the process. This highly automated facility operates continuously to support McDonald's global supply chain, enabling consistent product quality across all markets. Now that we've seen how those mouth-watering burgers come to life, who's ready for something refreshing? Your McDonald's meal wouldn't be complete without that perfect ice-cold drink, right? Coca-Cola production. The production line starts with pristine, sterilized bottles moving through a sophisticated automated system. Each bottle is meticulously inspected for any imperfections before entering the filling process. The precision-engineered circular filling machine operates with remarkable accuracy, maintaining consistent fill levels across thousands of bottles per hour. These cutting-edge machines are calibrated to exacting standards, ensuring every bottle receives the perfect amount of product. The carbonation stage is where science meets refreshment. In specialized pressurized chambers, precise amounts of carbon dioxide are infused into each bottle. The carbonation process is carefully monitored, maintaining exact pressure and temperature controls to achieve that signature effervescence that Coca-Cola is known for worldwide. This critical step requires advanced monitoring systems that adjust in real time to maintain optimal carbonation levels. Quality control is paramount in every step. Advanced optical sensors and X-ray inspection systems examine each bottle, checking fill levels, carbonation content, and container integrity. Any bottle not meeting the strict quality standards is automatically removed from the production line. The entire process is monitored in real time from a sophisticated control room where trained technicians oversee every aspect of production. The sealing process employs high-speed capping machines that apply precisely calibrated torque to each closure. These specialized caps are designed to maintain product freshness while ensuring proper carbonation levels are preserved throughout the distribution chain. Each seal undergoes immediate testing to verify its integrity, with advanced pressure sensors confirming proper sealing at speeds of up to 2,000 bottles per minute. In the labeling station, automated systems apply labels with remarkable precision. These labels contain all required regulatory information, batch codes, and production data, ensuring full traceability of every bottle produced. The labeling process is monitored by vision systems that verify proper placement and legibility, guaranteeing that each product meets strict brand standards and regulatory requirements. The final stage involves automated packaging systems, where robotic arms arrange bottles into various pack configurations. These sophisticated machines can adapt to different package sizes and formats, from 6-packs to cases of 24. The entire process is optimized for maximum efficiency, while maintaining product quality. Each package receives a final inspection before being palletized for distribution, ensuring that products are properly secured for their journey to retail locations worldwide. This facility operates continuously, producing millions of bottles daily to meet global demand.